Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to create a Facebook event, right? As you can see, I am on my screen and like I have already logged in my Facebook account. In the left side, you can see there is an option named events on the home page, right? Whenever we click on that particular events, there is an option create a new event, right? We will click on this. Now it is asking me about the event name, New Year party in Bikana. So like I have entered the event name. We can also add photo of the event like as a cover photo from here. Now we will click on the start date when this event is going to start, right? We can enter that particular date here and the start timing, and we can also select the time zone, right? Whatever the time zone you belong to, you can simply select over there. You can also add the end date as well, like this event is going to end on 1st of Jan, and you can select the timing of ending time, right? And you can again select the time zone. Is it a in-person event or virtual? So like it is in person. Okay, we can also add the location over here, so you can simply enter the location of the event, right? Who can see it? Is it a private event, is it a public event, or is it a group event, right? So it's a public event. You can simply enter the detail, food and dance. I've entered the detail. You can also add the co-host as an like in this event. If any person is a co-host of the event, you can also add them as well. Okay, so it is asking me whether it is a repetitive event or not, right? So it is not, then I will simply click on never. Else I can also choose the daily, weekly or custom, right? In the additional setting, there are not much things, like we can show the guest list. Only host can post an event. Obviously, like I don't want to give anyone access of posting anything in the event page, right? I just want only host can post in the event. Post must be approved by a host, right? If anybody makes a post on the event page, then if you want like a host to approve it first, then only that particular post will go live. Then you can simply turn it on, else you can turn it off, right? Post that comments detected as potential spam will be held for your review, right? So it is already turned on. Now we will click on create event. Okay, so event has already been created. We can simply invite our Facebook friends from here. We can simply select the person's list, like whom we want to invite in this event, and we can simply send invitation, and those person will receive a Facebook notification that you have like set them a event request, right? So they can either accept or reject whatever they want to do. So basically in this manner we can create an event on Facebook. If you want to learn digital marketing course, then kindly check out our video description. We had mentioned our website link over there. You can simply visit our website and explore our digital marketing course, and you can directly purchase from there.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.